Hi there, welcome to our auction for this Atco Qualcast Trojan 18S self-propelled petrol mower. We've just got a new one because this has shown some signs of not working too well, so hopefully the person looking at this auction will be able to sort those issues out. We've had this for about 5 or 6 years. It's been stored undercover outside, but it's a bit rusty around the steel box frame and some of the engine parts. It shows signs very up and down running, so it's revving and then revs are dropping off. So we've bought ourselves a new Qualcast last week. I'll show you it being started. It hasn't been started yet today, so it does start, but it's just rough running. The choke cable's also become detached from the handle, so that's not working very well. Or it's not working at all, but the self-propelled side of it does work, and it starts well. So I'll show you that. So I'll just prime the engine, and I'll show you how it starts. So hopefully you could hear there that the revs are a bit up and down, but it starts well. So I'm sure that someone who knows something about Briggs & Stratton petrol mowers can find out what's wrong with it and put it right. Okay, thanks for looking.